watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to our guide on creating charming cottage Christmas vignettes. This video shares whimsical and cozy decoration ideas to infuse the holiday spirit into your home, adding festive delight to your cottage-style decor. Start by embracing rustic elegance for your vignettes. Incorporate reclaimed wood, vintage items, and natural greenery to create a cozy and inviting base for your Christmas displays. Explore themes like a woodland wonderland or a vintage Christmas market for unique charm and nostalgia in your holiday decor. Design vintage display nooks using old bookshelves, windowsills, or mantelpieces, showcasing figurines or antique ornaments for a nostalgic Christmas vibe. Transform tabletops into festive scenes with miniature villages, candle arrangements, or festive dinnerware, adding charm to your vignettes. Enhance the cozy ambience with cottage-style accents. Soft textiles like knit blankets and embroidered stockings evoke warmth and comfort. Add festive details with vintage ornaments, candle lanterns, and fairy lights, infusing a magical ambiance into your vignettes. Craft nature-inspired centerpieces using pine cones, evergreen branches, and berries for stunning displays in baskets or vintage crates, bringing an outdoor touch to your vignettes. Incorporate seasonal floral arrangements like poinsettias or holly for a cheerful atmosphere in your decor. Create enchantment with soft, warm lighting. Use fairy lights or candles in lanterns for a magical glow in your cottage Christmas vignettes. Make your vignettes unique with handmade crafts or family heirlooms for a personal and heartwarming touch. Thank you for joining us in creating charming cottage Christmas vignettes. We hope these cozy decoration ideas inspire festive delight in your cottage-style home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holiday decor inspirations. Merry Christmas and happy decorating!